Ever feel like your brain just won't turn on? Like no matter how much you sleep, hydrate, or try to focus, your mind's stuck in a fog? You're not lazy. It could be brain fog. And today, I'm breaking down exactly why it happens and 5 simple, natural ways to fix it fast. We've all experienced brain fog, that frustrating, cloudy feeling where even simple tasks feel like a mental marathon. It's more than just being tired. Brain fog is marked by forgetfulness, lack of focus, and confusion, often making daily life feel overwhelming. But what if we could cut through the haze and reclaim mental clarity? Let's explore what's really going on inside your brain and how to fix it. Brain fog can stem from various root causes: autoimmune issues, mold exposure, nutritional deficiencies, chronic stress, and even poor gut health. Mold, for instance, is a silent threat. It may be hiding in your environment, triggering inflammation and mitochondrial dysfunction, the tiny powerhouses in your cells responsible for producing energy. When those mitochondria slow down, so does your brain. Combine that with processed foods, poor sleep, and nonstop stress, and it's no wonder we feel drained. But there's good news. You can fight back, naturally. Start with food. A Mediterranean-style diet rich in leafy greens, omega-3s, and antioxidant-packed berries fuels your brain and reduces inflammation. Hydration is another big one. Your brain needs water to function. Aim for light yellow urine as a hydration marker. Even mild dehydration can impair memory and focus. Add turmeric to your meals for its anti-inflammatory curcumin. And if your body tolerates them, nuts and seeds are also brain-friendly. Now, let's talk about lifestyle upgrades. Fasting, done safely, can reduce inflammation, support cellular cleanup through autophagy, and even trigger new brain cell growth. Many people find a 12 to 16-hour fast effective. Just be mindful, especially if you're a woman, as fasting affects hormones differently. Another brain booster? Natural supplements like lion's mane, rhodiola, and ashwagandha can support memory, reduce anxiety, and boost cognition. Even infrared saunas and red light therapy have shown promise for improving brain function. In the end, beating brain fog isn't about doing everything at once. It's about being consistent, staying mindful, and listening to your body. Try what resonates with you, track how you feel, and make adjustments. You deserve to feel clear, energized, and fully alive. Let this be your reset. Let this be the moment you choose clarity.